So I'm going to show you guys two ways in which you can turn off your Apple Watch. So first, I'm going to show you guys how to turn it off. Now first you have to click this side button right here. As you can see, this side button. Now this is presentable on any one of the series watches. It doesn't matter which series. You're going to hold it down till you see that come up right there. And as you can see to the top, we have a power button to this right here. You're going to click on that. And then you can see the option where you can power it off. And that's all, the first step of how you can turn off your Apple Watch. Now to turn it on, you're going to hold on the same button. So you're going to hold it down, probably about 3 to 5 seconds. Now you can see now that it's coming on right now. Now we have to wait a couple seconds again for it to boot up, depending on which series you're using. Some might boot up faster than some. So you have to wait a little while. Now, once it comes on like that, you're gonna enter your password. Now, the next way that you can turn off your watch is a bit more steps. So you can actually press this crown button right here. And then you can go into settings. You can see setting icons. Then you're gonna scroll down to where you see general. Then you're gonna scroll to the bottom section where you see shutdown. So you can click on that. And then you see the power button again up to the top right here. Gonna click on that, and then you're gonna power off. And that's how you turn off your Apple Watch. So let me know if this video was helpful. Remember to subscribe to this channel for more content like this. As always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace. I'm out.